the team really pulled together and we pulled it off. It was an incredible feat that we got through in the second half of this year. And some of you may have noticed that we're doing team highlights, and one of the reasons why I wanted to spend a lot of time sharing all about the team is because I'm so proud of them, and they really showed me what they're capable of, and I'm really excited that we've gotten this far. So here's what we did. We decided to do redesign sprints where we got together every other day and just focused on one small part of the assembly and figured out how can we remanufacture that using off-the-shelf parts. Any custom parts will be used with 3D printing. We use a material called PETG, which is a very UV-friendly, chemically resistant, and also we can recycle plastic, and it allowed us to do a lot more, especially injection molding. Injection molding is one thing that we really had a lot of upfront costs that we were dealing with, and we were able to kind of get around that with the 3D printing approach. So one of the benefits of being able to pivot and switch it up the way that we did this last year was that we were able to pass some of that savings on to our customers and clients. So if you check out our new website, go to Trella.io, click visit our shop, you'll see our new shop with our new pricing there. And we also have payment plan options as well for people who might want to pay a little bit over time, over 6 months or 12 months. So definitely make sure you go check that out.